Hi class, let's take a look at example 6. And in example 6, they're given us the region. Careful because they want us to revolve along the y-axis, and here you can actually see what this particular one is going to actually look like. So let me actually set up the integral. So the volume, it's equal to, in this case, it'll be equal to the integral from 1 to the values of 4 of pi, and they already solved the function. So this will be 2 over y technically squared dy. And let me actually extract the 2. So I'm just going to rewrite it as 4 pi integral from 1 to 4 of 1 over y squared dy. And before we do the actual evaluation, let me express it with no longer as a fraction. So with negative exponents, it'll be easier to evaluate this one. So this is 4 pi integral from 1 to 4 of y to the negative 2 dy, which is 4 pi, and you're looking at the integral of, well, actually after you evaluate the integral of negative 1 over negative 1 from 1 to 4. And just so that it's easier on the algebra, let me take out that negative 1. So we're looking at this one being equal to negative 4 pi times, and this will be a 4 to the negative 1 minus a technically 1. So this is equivalent to negative 4 pi times 1/4 minus 1. Which we have a negative 4 pi times 1/4 minus 1, and we're going to actually get an LCD. So your LCD is equal to 4. So multiply times 4 and times 4. And we end up with negative 4 pi times 1/4 minus 4/4. We're getting negative 3/4. So negative 4 pi times negative 3/4. And that's actually good news. Otherwise, we technically set up incorrectly the actual integral. So we're looking at the values of 3 pi. That's an exact answer. So total volume is equal to 3 pi units to the third power. And let me just rewrite this portion here.